Hi guys, welcome to another video on Know It Now, and on this video I'm going to be showing you guys the best way to boost Audiomack streams in Nigeria. All you have to do is go to any of your search browser and search www.growbetter.net. Once you search it as a first timer, this is how the website is going to display to you. Growbetter.net is a website where you boost all your social media like Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, Spotify, Audiomack, YouTube, and other social media apps. And on growbetter.net, you can boost your social media services like followers, views, like, comments, subscribers, streams, play, and other services. First thing first, you have to have an account with growbetter.net before you can use this website. If you don't have an account, all you have to do is click on sign up. Follow the few steps to be shown to create an account with growbetter.net. Once you're signed in, it will bring you to this page. This is how the website looks like on the inside. And I want you guys to note that getting any service on this website is not free. First thing first, you have to have an account with growbetter.net. The second thing is you have to have fund on your account before you can make any order on the website. If you don't have fund on your account, your order is not going to go through if you try to make use of this website. Make sure you fund your account before you can use this website. Let's get right into the video. Under category, you click on this arrow. You see Audiomack services there, you click on it. That service, you click on this arrow. There are various of Audiomack services there. As you can see, there's Audiomack Play, Audiomack Followers, Audiomack Streams USA, Audiomack Streams Ghana, UK, France, Germany, Nigeria, Ghana, Egypt, and South Africa. And as I said, I'm going to be showing you guys how to boost Audiomack Nigeria streams, and as you can see there, that's Audiomack Nigeria streams. You click on it. Under this link and quantity, on this link you have to input the link of the song, and under this quantity you have to input the amount of streams you want to get. On my previous videos, I've shown and explained how to copy song link, but if you want me to drop a specific video concerning how to copy song link, all you have to do is drop a comment on the comment section, and I'm going to do just that. I've copied my link before the start of this video. All I have to do is input my link and click on done. Once I've input my link under this quantity, as you can see under quantity there is from 1,000 above, you can get your streams. For the purpose of this video, I will input 1,000 streams and will click on done. Once you have input your correct song link and the quantity of streams you want to get, all you have to do is click on submit. Once you click on submit, you see a notification that your order has been received, and this is the best way to boost Nigeria streams right now. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if it's your first time coming across Know It Now, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification to be notified anytime we post a new video. And if you have subscribed, thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment. Thank you, and God bless you.